Hi, who does this thing?
The company that we have doing is called DropTopCustoms.
How much extra is that?
It's this package is $26,000.
26,000.
Yeah.
What is this? 2021?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Brand new.
Oh.
Yeah, this is like about the 5th or 6th one of these ones that we've done.
Wow. So, that sounds good.
Oh yeah.
Where are you based?
BillBryan Chrysler right up here.
Oh, really? Okay. Okay, in Leesburg.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll be darned. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I have a 2016.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
You should come take a look. We've got a couple of these. We've done the V6, a couple of RTs, a couple of Scat Packs. We can do it to any Challenger that you like.
Wow. All right. Can you hold it for a second while I just get a quick video?
Sure.
Yeah. How many of these are out there, do you think?
Not many. We've only done 5, and we're the only ones in the area doing them that I know of. And the company's out of like Daytona.
Okay. There's only one doing this, or
as far as my knowledge.
Good. All right. Everything else is standard.
Yeah.
As far as yeah. And it has the Hemi, so.
Yes, sir.
And. All right. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Right.